Here we go. Weight on your right, cross the body, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, forward 2, 3, forward 2, back 2, 3, going this way, side behind, side in front, side behind, rock 2, 3, side behind, side in front, side behind, rock and waltz, forward on your left, forward on your right, and back. Start again. I'll do the easier version again. 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, side behind, side in front, side behind, rock 2, 3, side behind, side front, side behind, rock and back, forward 2, 3, forward 2, 3, back 2, 3. I'll do the spinnier version now. Forwards and forwards and forwards again and back. Ready to spin to the left, you go. Turn, turn, turn in front, side behind, rock 2, 3. Turn, turn, turn in front, side behind, rock. Then you spin on your left, go back on your right and spin on your left. Let's do it again. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. I'm spinning again. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Turn it and back and turn it. Do whatever you like. Here we go.
Waltz across Texas with you in my arms. Waltz across Texas.
Easier version. Side behind, side in front, side behind.
Like
rock 2, 3. Side behind, side in front, side behind. Rock 2, 3. Forwards and forwards and back. And start again. 1, 2, 3,